How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Open up your Instagram application. Once you have opened it up, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. So under your profile name, tap on edit profile, and here tap on edit picture or avatar. So in order to disable Instagram profile picture zoom, you have to embed your avatar to your profile picture. So for that, tap on the avatar option. If you have not created your avatar yet, you can create one. So tap on create avatar and then create an avatar. After you have created your avatar, tap on next. Then again tap on edit picture or avatar, again hit towards your avatar. Then here turn on the toggle that is add to profile picture. Now once you have added your avatar to your profile picture, you have disabled the profile picture zoom feature in your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.